Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to the tenorshare channel. If you've recently updated to iOS 26 and are dissatisfied, wishing to revert to the stable iOS 18 version, then this guide is prepared for you. However, it must be noted that you cannot downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18 without a computer. iOS 26 uses a completely new file system for upgrades, and that basically blocks any attempt to install older firmware like iOS 18 directly on your device. Apple does this to prevent data loss and system crashes. If you have observed other videos instructing you to simply turn off beta updates, be aware that this approach is not effective and does not constitute downgrading, and your device will no longer receive any further beta updates. Here's why you can't go back to iOS 18 without a computer. Next, I will take you through downgrading iOS 18 on the computer. Method 1. Downgrade using iTunes. You can downgrade through iTunes, but this is a complex method that is prone to errors and can lead to data loss. The steps are as follows. First, you need to back up your phone. You can do this on iTunes. Visit the IPSW.me website to locate the iOS files you want for your iPhone model. Then download the file and wait for the process to complete. After this, return to iTunes or Finder. Then hold the Shift key. Click on Restore iPhone and select the IPSW file you downloaded. Confirm the restoration, and your iPhone will downgrade to the version you downloaded. After the downgrade, your phone is back to factory settings. If you backed up your data with iCloud, then you can just log into your ID and restore it. Method 2. Downgrade using ReiBoot. To downgrade to iOS 18 without losing your data, you can utilize ReiBoot, a mature tool with over a decade of experience in iOS system recovery. It is a reliable solution for users seeking to repair their devices, offering a trustworthy option for both beginners and experienced iOS users. You can download it from the link provided. After downloading ReiBoot and connecting your iPhone to your computer, it is essential to back up your data first. Using ReiBoot, you have the option to select a save location for the backup. The process involves creating a full backup of your iPhone locally on your computer, ensuring no risk of data leaks. This includes all your photos, contacts, and other data. The duration of the backup process varies depending on your storage capacity. After the backup is successfully completed, return to the home page and initiate the downgrade procedure. You will notice that iOS 18.5 is available for downgrade. So let's do it. After downloading the official firmware, initiate the downgrade process. Once your device is updated to iOS 18, proceed to the Data Restore page and select Restore from Computer. On your computer, initiate the data restoration process to your device. Upon completion of the restore, your device will be returned to its previous state. During this process, all applications, photos, and other data will be restored, and your device will be downgraded to the desired version without any data loss. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If this helped, like and subscribe for more insightful tips or check out our other videos. See you next time.